What have we got here? We've got fresh pine cones. Here we are, boiling sticky rice on the induction. We have the pistachios ready for the topping. Can I have a look at the bag? Tapioca starch.
Yeah.
Yep. Come in the sun.
Because that was all the bag like
You opened it upside
open
down.
upside down.
White sugar, brown sugar, salt, a big R2E2 mango, coconut milk, coconut milk, coconut milk, coconut,
Yeah, drinking coconut.
drinking coconut with the pulp, with the flesh, tapioca,
Yeah.
flour mixed with water,
Yeah.
and the new ingredient on the block,
Pistachio.
pistachio. Here's our cooking venue. Is that the cooking coconut cream you're eating?
They're beautiful.
Did you see Port Welsh Pool? They counted 148 boat trailers there. Port Welsh Pool, where we went last weekend.
Yeah.
148. They said the guy went there on Friday and there's 148 boat trailers there. And he said he's never seen the area so busy. There's a fishing comp on there this weekend and snapper biting and everyone's happy. Now they're down there, huh? The snapper.
Big spoonful. If you want big spoonful sugar, half of the brown.
Do you even know what button you're pressing?
Sweet enough. The sticky rice, when you do, you have to use the hot sticky rice. You have to be like steaming hot sticky rice with a when you do it's okay.
It's thicker.
Yeah. Okay, a bit thicker. Thicker when you put in the Want a little bit more? But you want a little bit more?
That's yours.
Huh?
A little bit more for your husband.
Go people. Space here. So, more? You want more? Then?
No, that's
Can I try your one just a little bit?
what?
More sauce or enough?
Looks good to me.
Good, huh?
Thank you. Can you try mine first? Make sure it's okay. Just in case it's like that beef Wellington thing.
Your one, huh? You steal your food.
Come sit over here.
Oh, so good. You have to try it. Try it.
Okay. How was it?
Oh, so good. Amazing.